Hi, I'm Dave Archer, Vice President of Engineering at Pierce Manufacturing. It's my pleasure to welcome you to FDIC 2026. Behind me is a display for a new technology we're developing with a segment within Oshkosh Corporation named Pratt Miller. Pratt Miller is our racing team that does Corvette racing, and they have a technology that we've adapted to the vocational markets. Not only can it be applied to fire trucks, but it also can be applied to school buses, law enforcement, wrecker services, and what this technology is about sensing incoming threats of vehicles that could hit ground personnel. So CAMS is called the Collision Avoidance Mitigation System, but specifically what we're trying to do is protect the people who are on the ground working around a scene or a vehicle that's alongside the highway. Every year there are hundreds of people who are working alongside the road who are struck by drivers who are not paying attention. Our CAMS system is a specific way to warn those people on the ground that a threat is pending. So if you're at FDIC, please come down to the booth to get more information or contact your Pierce dealer.